Adoration. Meaning. Adoration means a deep feeling of love, admiration, or worship towards someone or something. It implies profound respect and affection. Definition. Adoration is a noun that refers to a strong emotional attachment or admiration, often involving reverence, devotion, or deep affection towards someone or something. Examples in sentences. 1. His adoration for his dog was evident in the way he cared for it. Here, adoration refers to the deep love and affection he feels for his dog. 2. The crowd's adoration for the singer grew with every performance. In this sentence, adoration refers to the strong admiration and respect the audience had for the singer. Usage. Adoration is commonly used to describe a powerful feeling of love, especially when someone holds someone or something in the highest regard.
English practice.